But one thing that is for sure, a fact is that we all need God, the Speaker. We all need God. And we must continually pray to God, collectively and individually, so that this country can be rescued. You never know, Mr. Speaker. This prayer event might actually soften people's hearts and perhaps lead to the withdrawal of the offending finance bill 2023. You never know. You never know. You never know. That's why I encourage my members, please stand up in your numbers tomorrow so that we can pray together and seek God's intervention. Thank you. May God bless. I second.
Honourable members, I propose the question, which is that pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 28.4, calendar of the Assembly, this House resolved to suspend the morning sitting of Wednesday, 7th June 2023 at 9:30 a.m. Majority Leader? Majority Leader wants to say something.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. And Honourable Speaker, I rise to support that motion.